A little bit idea what what I get from a vacation from that trip. Let's look at screen. Okay, we're going to show the screen. Yeah, you can. Let's see. I can have this one. Okay, this one. Uh-huh. Okay. Yes, I went to the volcano. There's a volcano site. Uh, while I go there, I just want to run. Crazy run like this. Just will run all the top, run back. Other people, they do something. Some people are singing, some people just crazy dance like that. Eventually find out that the volcano energy push people doing that. My wife didn't tell me wrong. I didn't tell myself wrong. Just something and push me. I just run, crazy run, do some stuff like that. That's energy from that. I want to see the live volcano, but that don't have it. Then there's dead volcano on the top. Okay, I run on the top, back, down. Even I did Teji there. Yeah, on the Teji on the top. Even you do Teji on the top, that make you jumping. Do like that, because that the energy from there to push people doing like this. Sorry, why is this? Okay, good. And but I did other style called 10 style Tai Chi, because that Tai Chi usually is very powerful. At that moment, I don't know, I picked those powerful style that push me jumping and punch, kick, all things like this one. That's the kind of here. Actually, I get the room stay is Airbnb. That is like very close to the country. That one.
Did you sleep?
That's the B&B home we stayed. The backyard.
Nice.
How beautiful it is.
That is beautiful.
That only 5 minutes driving to the volcano site.
Nice.
Even first day morning.
Come on, two step parts.
Even first day morning, I want to run to the volcano because the very short distance. The owner called Robert. He retired, 71 years old. After a few days, the birthday, 71 years old. 3 years older than me. He originally worked on the oil industry in Los Angeles. Because he loved this spot, 23 years old, he come to this spot, he loved it. He bought property there, and he stayed in the property right now after 20 years. His backyard, beautiful, right?
It is beautiful.
Yes.
His home. My wife went home and said, man, this looks like a museum. The home like a museum. There's technical people make room like a museum. Now I asked him a question. I know that his occupation. I said, who did it for you? He said, I did it. Technical people have the art free for that. Very peaceful actually do that. One day if you go there, we can do workshop here.
That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah.
Good idea,
Let's
right?
plan it for
Good
next year.
idea. Yes. One day I'll try.
We'll start a savings.
That we over 3 different islands, Honolulu, and the big island. Another island called Kauai.
Okay.
What the pronunciation was that?
Cowie?
Yeah, Kauai. Yeah, Kauai. like that. Okay, then 3 different islands. We also went to the beach. We feel that when you go stand at the beach, you like this. You want to see everybody. Or even you want to lay down the sandy, just lay down that, enjoy the peaceful energy. Okay? This is I find out, oh, I found two energy different. The ocean energy like this. The volcano energy like this. That makes people like this. Two different energy there. Even why I want to experience the large volcano energy, but they don't have that. Now go to park, ask the expert. We say, why we couldn't see this? He said, you're not lucky. 2 months ago, if you come here, you see that. And I said, oh, June, they have that live volcano there. Now I asked his question, we say, when we can come here to see that? I cannot tell you. Was why? You're expert here. He said, so many scientists work for a lot of time to see when the volcano come out. Nobody get an answer yet. I said, now I asked him, I said, how long I can stay here, can see the volcano? Because I want to do the take by the live volcano, feel the energy there. He said, I don't know. I said, what about 2 months? If you're lucky, maybe. If you're not lucky, few years, still couldn't see that.
Wow.
Now I'll come back and talk to Robert. I said, come, Robert, next time you're here, if they go like this, text me.
Right. Yeah. Get the plane ticket.
Yes, that I get from vacation for get 2 different kind of energy.
Yeah.
Tuesday come back, Wednesday morning have class. When class is finished, I certainly find out. I will take you practice. Looks like put 2 energy together. This energy, get together. Then Tai Chi.
Right.
I feel like that way.
Yeah.
If people don't go visit the volcano, they don't have those kind of experience, don't have this kind of knowledge. Also, I'm doing Tai Chi on the volcano site, right? People doing Tai Chi by the beach, put on the YouTube all the time. You can see a lot of Tai Chi by the beach. No one do Tai Chi on the volcano on there. Eventually I find out 500 years human being history, 400 years Tai Chi history. I'm only one do Tai Chi on the volcano.
Wow.
I'm only one.
First.
Yes, I'm the first one. That's good, right? That's what I find out from this vacation. Okay. Now we're going to.
Jay,
Yeah.
when you were staying at the Airbnb near the volcano,
Mhm.
did you have trouble sleeping?
No.
So the energy was not at the Airbnb, it was really just.
Yeah. You're right. I'm super good. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna have a class now. We try to see we can experience that 2 energy together during class. Okay. Now we'll do.